Hi, I'm Taylor Buckthorpe. I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing here at Colordyne Technologies. We approach inkjet differently. Rather than selling you a standalone press or a digital hybrid label press, we believe in integrating inkjet directly to the assets you already own. And in this video, I'm going to explain 10 reasons why to retrofit your existing equipment. First is people. Your operator already knows this press like the back of their hand. Number two is cash. By eliminating the reinvestment in web handling and finishing equipment, you can significantly reduce your capital investment and get into digital and hybrid printing. The third reason being facility. Floor space is tight in many label and packaging converting facilities. Rather than coming up with floor space for a whole new press, simply integrate directly on top of the assets you already own. Number four, there's no loss of existing press functionality. Retrofitting inkjet doesn't reduce any of the functionality of your existing press. You'll be able to leverage digital, run Flexo, or combine digital and Flexo for hybrid label production. Number five, single pass converting. Through the process of retrofitting inkjet engines, you can prime, digital print, varnish and laminate, and die cut all in one single pass. Number six is increasing your options for hybrid printing. Colordyne's approach to hybrid allows you to register every single Flexo station on press, allowing for simple or complex hybrid printing applications. Number seven, leverage all of your existing tooling. Don't worry about having to reinvest in new tooling. Keep utilizing all of your dies and press converting accessories in line with your digital production. Number eight, low cost converting. Everyone knows digital print provides a significant production cost saving for short run. With inline options for hybrid printing, you can reduce your printing costs and plate up when necessary. Number nine is color gamut. Colordyne's inkjet engines support up to 7 colors for extended color gamut printing. And with options for inline hybrid printing, you can easily register spot colors and metallic ink into your print production. And finally, number 10 is variable data. Retrofitting inkjet allows you to produce variable text, graphics, and all standard barcode symbology, whether that's for a short-run digital job, a variable data job, or long-run Flexo jobs where all you need is a barcode. Our approach to inkjet is simple. We believe in retrofitting your existing equipment so we can leverage all the dies, tooling, and knowledge that exists on your press room floor today.